our firefighters take a stand against wildfire. Without the community's cooperation and adherence to our requests, I don't know that our ability to get into those neighborhoods would have been the same. We are still in a very active and dangerous situation. We have large evacuation areas established in the city of Ventura, and those evacuation areas are still in effect and important for resident and rescuer safety. So we ask for your patience to understand that we are working as diligently as possible to get those areas opened back up and to get you back to your homes, to see the damage, to see what's left, or to see your home standing.
Our kids stay behind and actually save our hers is the only house that's safe on the street.
It will take a little while, and we are doing everything we can, and it is for your safety. We too are facing the same dangers tonight and tomorrow. Each of those fire scenes in the city of Ventura is still very active, and with the predicted wind event, it could become a worse event than it is right now should we have additional fires kick up. We appreciate your patience. We thank everyone who's helped us through this so far, and we thank the community for being such great cooperators and allowing us to do our jobs during a difficult time. Thank you.